Hello students, welcome back to my channel Economic Zone by Diksha Ahuja. This side your economics teacher Diksha Ahuja is here to continue the chapter number 9, Measures of Central Tendency Arithmetic Mean. In the first video of the chapter, I covered the three types of series. I told you that there is individual series, discrete series and continuous series. And we started doing the questions of arithmetic mean for individual series where all the three methods, actually step division is not there. Then for discrete series, we started with first method, that is direct method. So today we'll cover the entire discrete series and further. Okay, so discrete series is which are having the x values and frequency with it. So x and f values signifies that this is a discrete series. So let's start off with the second formula, that is assumed mean method. First of all, you should know the formula. To calculate mean in assumed mean method in discrete series is a plus summation fd upon summation f. D means deviation that we will calculate by subtracting assumed mean from x values and then we will multiply it by f. So what is the difference between individual and discrete series? In discrete series, when I wrote this formula, we were having only summation d, but here we are having summation fd and divided by n was there, but here we are having summation of frequency as the total number of observations. So the very first step is to search for a. Which one you want to choose as a? I want to choose 20 as my assumed mean here. Okay, so calculate deviation, that is to be calculated by subtracting assumed mean from all the values. So 5 minus 20 is minus 15 minus 10 minus 5, 0, 25 minus 20, 5, 30 minus 20, 10 and then 15. So we don't want the summation of d here. Now we want the summation of fd. I want to multiply frequency into deviation. So for multiplying frequency into deviation, we will just multiply these values. So 16 into 15 and that too minus 1. 15 into 15 is 225. So 240. Right? Then minus 40. Then minus 30. Then 0. 25, 50 and 150. So plus the positive part and plus the negative separately. So it will be 0 minus 310 and plus ka we have 225. So summation of summation fd will be so taking the plus and minus things and we will just solve it. Plus 225 and minus 310. So we will subtract 310. So it will be minus 85 because this will be 75 plus 85. So let's put in the formula that says a plus summation fd upon summation f. So here a is 20. Summation fd is 60, minus 85 and summation f is 60. So solve it. 85 it will go on 12, it will go on solving it, you will get 17 divided by 12 and solving 17 by 12 you will get 1.6 and the answer will be 18.6. That is similar to the direct method as we did in discrete series. So let's do the step deviation method. Let's start the last topic for today, that is continuous series direct method, and we will do the next two methods, that is shortcut method, assumed mean method and step deviation method of continuous series in the next video. So let's complete it. So I have come up with one example of direct method continuous series. You know what a continuous series is, including class intervals and frequency. So direct method is just to multiply the two values and get the answer. First thing you need to know that class intervals are given here. We don't have the use of class intervals. We cannot calculate the mean using class intervals. So the very first thing you need to calculate is the mid value. What do you need to calculate? Mid value, and the formula for mid value is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here the lower limit is 0 plus 20 upon 2. That means 10. Again 20 plus 40, 60 divided by 2, 30. Now we know the gap is 20. So you can take as 50, 70 and 90. These are the mid values. And what formula I have written here? Just have a look. I have written the formula of mean as summation of FM. So what's working as X here? Mid value is working as a proxy of X here. So multiplying frequency at mid value, you will get 12 into 10, 120, 150, 400, 350, 900. So adding all this, you will get summation FM. That will be 0, 5, 5, 12, 1920 is summation FM. This you can calculate yourself. 0, 2, 7, 12, 1, 2, 6, 9, 10, 19. So put in the formula. Mean is equals to 1920 upon 40. Solve it further and give the answer. Solve it. Solve by 2 first. 9, 96. And further solve, you get a direct answer. Get 96, 48. So 48 is the answer. So 48 is the mean of this direct method Karnaugh series, and we will come up with shortcut method as you mean method and the step division method of Karnaugh series in my next video. Till then, bye bye.